What's the latest version of iTunes? Okay, this review will answer the question for you. Plus, you'll learn how to update iTunes to the latest version and how to manage your iOS devices with its alternative. Part 1. Tips you should know before iTunes update. 1. Brief history of iTunes updates. iTunes, since 2001, evolved with iPod integration v2, Smart Playlists v3, and the Music Store v4. Over a dozen years, updates improved features. In 2010, 9 updates were released. 2. What's the latest version of iTunes? As of October 21, 2020, Apple iTunes 12.10.10 for Win X7810 is the most current version of iTunes. You can use it to collect songs in one tap, convert CDs to digital music, play videos with screen controls, and sync content on iPhones and other iOS devices. 3. How do I know if I have the latest version of iTunes? iTunes was installed from the store. On your computer, go to Start Settings, Apps, iTunes Advanced Options. Check the installed version and specifications. iTunes was installed from other sources. Go to Start Settings, Apps, iTunes. Part 2. How to update iTunes to the latest version on PC, Mac. Open iTunes on your PC by double-clicking the icon or searching in the Start menu. Click Help, check for updates in iTunes to download any available updates. Install the latest iTunes version on your PC. Update iTunes on a Mac. Open iTunes on your Mac or go to Finder Applications iTunes to launch it. In the menu bar, click iTunes, check for updates. If available, a prompt will appear to download the current version. Click Download iTunes to update to the latest version. Part 3. The best alternative to iTunes to transfer and manage iOS data. Would you like to know what the best alternative to iTunes? Well, Mobikin Assistant for iOS can be your best bet. It enables you to back up your iOS data repeatedly on a computer, and previous backups will not be overwritten. 1. Connect your iPhone to computer. 2. Transfer and manage iPhone information and media files. 3. Remove applications from iPhone, iPad, iPod. 4. Manage iTunes backups on computer.